Study smarter with ChatGPT. Really? Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Today I will tell you 5 tips to study smarter with using just ChatGPT for free. So let's get started. Number 1 tip is ChatGPT can help you summarize long paragraph. Just see, I am typing here, please summarize this paragraph, and I have given a big paragraph, huge paragraph of photosynthesis over here, and when I will say it to summarize, then just you see the longest paragraph. Now it's in shortest summary. Number 2, easier explanation and full-time tutor. So I'm saying please explain this lesson I have written interview in an easy way, just like a 10-year student, just like you can say a nursery student too. So it's explaining in very easy way. If you can read it, so just read it and see how much easy is this. Number 3, easy flashcards in seconds. So don't make them by your own. ChatGPT will make it for you just for free, no subscription needed. So for that lesson, now I'm generating flashcards also. Now just you see, here are the flashcards. Here are 8 flashcards it's generated for me. Test prep and quizzes. I said generate quiz for me. Okay, you will say generate quiz for me, tell your topic. In every time tell your topic please, so it can generate accurately. Now let's answer it and then see what will happen. Now see, I will answer this first MCQs. See, you can write the answer. Yes, just write your answer and then it will tell you whether it's correct or not, or it will appreciate you or explain you what was the mistake. See, it's asking would you like me to add any more questions or any changes. So next one is grammatical mistakes checks. First, I have make grammatical mistakes by my own, just to check if it corrects it or not. So I paste the paragraph I made by myself, the mistakes, and now see, it have corrected. And now you can check what were your mistakes, what were errors I have written here. And now the errors, these were all that errors I made in that. So that was all for today's video. If you like, please subscribe the channel. Take care and Allah Hafiz.